Welcome back, welcome back. It is the DMV Weave Doctor, located in Bowie, Maryland, honey. And girl, I know y'all just seen those flakes in that hair. And don't be throwing no shade, honey, because I know a lot of y'all since the pandemic have not been taking down y'all weaves, okay? That's all I got to say. All right, so no hateration up in the holleration up in this dancery, okay? So anyways, we just wanted to show you how nice and beautiful her hair looks now, okay? And if any one of our clients come and had their hair in their head for over 4 months, they're going to have to pay extra charge, period, okay? Because that is a lot of work. Yeah, child, you know with this coronative, we don't want no coronative virus to come out of that head, okay? So that's why we had scrub-a-dub that hair all up in the tub. And we have the perfect solution at the Weave Doctor's Hair Loss Clinic. We have our hair fungal bath that we sell on our website and that we offer for our clients. And that's another thing. Since we're talking about getting a lot of debris off the scalp, which a lot of you guys are subject to now since you're not going to your hairstylist, okay? We are tired of seeing y'all hairstylists scratch people's head with a comb, okay? This is not, You are not scrambling eggs. Stop scrambling eggs on the scalp. No more scratching and ratching. You're going to bust somebody's hair follicles open, okay? And right now, this is a hair replacement. A unit that we put underneath our client is a protection. It's really there as we call it the hair loss harness. And it helps to just keep your unit in place. A lot of people are now, there's been a lot of trickery going on online nowadays, saying that you don't have to use glue or anything like that. That you can pretty much just put them bands on your wigs and you just be straight. But a lot of y'all have found out that you have bought them wigs and that wig is sliding up off your head, okay? So this is what this protective measurement is for. And she did get some glue, so we use a medical grade glue for our clients if they want adhesive. And this right here is our Peruvian unit. We are doing a hair loss revitalization on that custom unit. Oh yes, we are, honey. This unit is about approximately over a year old. And it looks a mess right now, baby. We about to put that mousse. We about to mousse it down. Don't you worry about, honey. We about to be looking cute. All right, and so now we are threading the unit on, and we're using, don't forget we got that hair, the hair replacement unit underneath. It's like, the hair loss harness, and that's going to keep us from poking her scalp as much and from the unit to shift. And a lot of people want to know, how do I spend the least amount of money, baby? This is how. Spend the money up front and purchase your hair harnesses and all the different things that you need to keep your unit in place. And baby, you won't have to come to the salon like that. I haven't seen her in months. And she is rocking and rolling and bopping and popping to the beat. Okay? All right, and now we're going to show you what her lace front looked originally. And girl, she about to get a transplant with that frontal, okay? That's how some of y'all frontals be looking. Don't wear your frontal that long, baby. And this is the unity. And all right, look at them edges, girl. Look at them edges, honey. And that's the HD lace, okay? Get you some HD lace, baby. Don't bring that cheap lace, baby. Get the HD lace, the thin, transparent lace, girl. That thing will melt in that scalp. And honey, girl, look at that. Look at that 1 year and a half old unit. Girl, we put it up in a ponytail. She is flopping, dropping, topping. Girl, can't nobody mess with her. Book now with the Weave Doctor.